The big tech does not want you to see this AI, and after this video, you will understand exactly why. But that's just the beginning. OpenAI just dropped a crazy new AI that can literally control the web. Instagram is making huge changes to Reels, and NVIDIA just dropped another game-changing AI breakthrough. The tech world is moving fast, and I've got everything you need to know right now. So in our last video, we have been talking about ChatGPT, Perplexity, and OpenAI's latest moves. But guess what? While they were busy competing, a new player has just come in to shake the entire AI industry. Meet Deepseek, the AI that's being called the Android of the AI world. It's open source, incredibly powerful, and doesn't charge you any money for subscriptions, unlike closed AI. If that sounds like a bold statement, just wait till you hear what has been done in the last few weeks. First things first, Deepseek has just become the #1 app on the US Play Store. Not just that, even on the Indian Play Store, it's at #1 right now. Why? Because it's faster, cheaper, and open source. If OpenAI and Microsoft are the iPhone of AI, Deepseek is the Android, a more flexible, less restrictive, and cost-effective alternative, which is shaking up the industry. Apparently, you can even run this on an iPhone, and it's been running very smoothly, as you can see. Now that the DeepSeek model is integrated inside Perplexity, you might be concerned that your data is going to China, but no, it's not. Because DeepSeek is open source, it's running securely inside Perplexity's system without sending your queries to China, so you're getting all the benefits without the risk. Here's where things get really interesting. DeepSeek isn't just another AI chatbot. It's giving you the tools to build your own AI assistant, completely free of cost. Think about that. Instead of being locked into using ChatGPT or Perplexity's AI, you can now create your own assistant, train it on your own data, and customize it exactly how you want. This is something OpenAI and Microsoft don't want you to realize. Imagine a world where instead of choosing just between Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, you have a fully personalized AI that learns from your needs. That's the future DeepSeek is creating. DeepSeek is showing that AI can be just as powerful without putting everything behind a paywall, which is making the US tech giants panic. Microsoft and OpenAI were not really expecting an open source rival this strong. And guess what? Even Microsoft is paying attention. They just rolled out DeepSeek's AI model on Azure. Yes, the same company that owns 49% of OpenAI is now adopting its biggest open source rival. This is huge because it shows that even big tech sees DeepSeek's potential. If Microsoft is integrating it into Azure, that means businesses worldwide will now have access to DeepSeek's capabilities without paywall from OpenAI. Mind you, the cost that you would pay to use the DeepSeek API is almost 30 times cheaper than you would pay to OpenAI for using their API. DeepSeek is really breaking the monopoly, giving users more control and forcing the other tech giants to change the game to bring AI for free for all users. As we all know, ChatGPT's operator was launched very recently. It gives you the ability to navigate websites, book flights and hotels, reserve seats for restaurants, and much more. But here's the catch. Those who got the chance to test the tool have noted some problems, some issues with this, such as the slow responsiveness in comparison to the demos and the sudden hallucinations. Some have noted that AI agents as a whole can potentially introduce unique safety risks, such as using automated ecosystems to launch traffic attacks or bypass CAPTCHA codes. While OpenAI insists it has a security to lock on operator, some researchers have noted that technology could clash with search engines such as Google that have their own data processing strategies in place for its own purposes. Right now, Operator is only available for ChatGPT Pro users in the US, and that means $200 per month. For most people, that's way too expensive. Even if you can afford it, there's another issue: security. Giving an AI the power to browse, fill out forms, and even type for you raises serious questions. Could a hacker trick Operator into leaking data? Could it accidentally click something it shouldn't? These are things I'm not that sure about right now. For now, Operator is exciting, but it's not ready for everyone. We'll have to see if OpenAI can make it more affordable and more secure, which it says it will, and until that, it's not really the ultimate assistant. Some people do say that you can use this to multiply yourself, but we'll have to wait and watch if it can be more affordable and more secure. Talking about another big company from US, Instagram just made a huge change. You can now upload 3-minute reels. They do say that there are more changes coming. One of them is the iconic square profile grids are being replaced by rectangular ones to fit vertical videos better, and your liked reels are now going to be public, kind of. They say that Instagram will start showing your liked reels to your friends. That means if you like something embarrassing, yeah, your friends might see it. I don't know how I feel about that. I think they should definitely have an option to turn that off. And if you thought only Deepseek was the main player in China versus US tech war, well, just to remind you, there's TikTok as well. TikTok in US was banned and then unbanned in less than 24 hours. What really happened? As you know, governments worldwide have been concerned about TikTok's data privacy issues. The US has debated bans for years, but this time they actually did it, only to reverse the decision almost instantly. Was this just political chaos, or did TikTok really change its policies fast enough to avoid a permanent ban? Either way, this proves how unstable social media laws are right now. Now for something massive. NVIDIA has just changed the game again. Their new RTX 50 series GPUs use AI-driven graphics to boost performance while using 30% less VRAM. For gamers, this means smoother performance, less lag, and longer-lasting hardware, all thanks to AI. But NVIDIA isn't just about gaming. They're pushing AI into scientific research, helping biopharma, climate science, and even medical advancements. Then there's NVIDIA Flare, a way to train AI models without sharing sensitive data. This could be huge for hospitals, businesses, and even governments. AI to cure diseases is definitely next level, which I talked about in my recent short as well. Moving on, while Apple is stepping back from AI, Google is going all in. Google Workspace AI is now free. That means Gmail, Google Docs, and Sheets are getting AI-powered upgrades at no extra cost. But here's the catch: if something is free, you're probably the product. Will you trust Google to use your data? I personally wouldn't. AI is evolving faster than ever, and with these new tech wars going on right now, I'm sure that we are going to benefit a lot from this. Even after all this, it's our critical thinking, our creativity, those human skills which can't be replaced, that's going to be the real winner, no matter how much AI evolves. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more AI related news.